Hello everyone, I am Bhavna Saxena from Lyan Public School. In the last meeting, we studied chapter number 3 and also discussed some exercises. Today, we will know more about prepositions through some activities. Before activities, I will show you a video related to prepositions.
Prepositions. Today we are going to talk about prepositions. Preposition. A preposition is a word which is usually placed before a noun or pronoun in a sentence to show how it is related to some other word in the sentences. The noun or pronoun is called the object of the preposition and is governed by it. Some common prepositions: before, along, among, below, beside, between, at, by, for, from, in, of, with, about, of, through, till, without, etc. Uses of preposition. In or at is used with the name of cities, town, villages, etc. To show big places, we use in, and for small places, we use at. Example: she will go to the party at the clubhouse. Tom plays in the garden. In is used to show the names of streets and at is used before the house number. Example: he lives in Deccan Street. She lives at 315/2 Rajendra Nagar. In is used to show the exact year. Example: Subhash Chandra Bose was born in January 1897. At is used to show the time. Example: I shall go there at 4 o'clock. On is used to show the names of days or when we think of a place as a surface. Example: he did not go to school on Monday. Till is used to show the time. Example: I stayed there till 3 o'clock. To is used to show a place. Example: Rohan is going to the market. By is used after verbs in the passive voice to denote the doer of the action expressed by the verb. With is used to define as to how or with what or with whom the action has been done. Example: he played with his friends. Ravan was killed by Ram. Since is used to show the point of time. Example: Monica has been reading a lesson since 3 o'clock. For is used to show the period of time. Example: I will be living with my grandparents for a month. Between is used for two persons or things. Among is used for more than two persons or things. Example: divide these books between Raman and his sister. They distributed clothes among beggars. Beside means by the side of. Besides mean in addition to. Example: Chandrika is sitting beside her mother. She writes novels besides storybooks. In this chapter, you have learnt prepositions.
Now it's activity time. first activity is choose the correct answer to complete the sentence. कुछ ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, उसमें से हम करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन फिल करेंगे. ओके. The remote is dash the cushions. Okay. 4 options हैं. Answer is under. Next is the clothes are dash the cupboard. 4 options: behind, on, in, at. Answer is in. Next, the food is kept dash the table. Answer is on. Next, Meera is dash the door. Answer is at. Next, Timmy is hiding dash the door. Answer is behind. Raj jumped dash the toy. Answer is over. The postman is standing dash the door. Answer is at. Grandma is sitting dash the fireplace. Near. Tom is sleeping dash the basket. Answer is in. The baby is sitting dash the toys. Answer is among. Now, second activity is multiple choice questions. Okay. First, we eat a lot of sweets dash Diwali. Options दिए गए हैं हमको. Since, in, at, on. Answer is at. Next, number 2. I go to tuition dash Friday. Answer is on. Yes, right answer. Next, the trees become greener dash spring season. Answer is in. Next, question 4. Dash night I had an amazing dream. Last. Next, question number 5. I have not seen her dash last week. Answer is since. Okay. I hope you understand prepositions very well and enjoy it. Okay. Now revise it properly. Thank you.